Alright, boys and girls, it's Eric here. Got the work done on the KT1000. Rinsed this tank out with some vinegar, soaked it overnight. Boy, the shit that come out of there. But I got her all rinsed out, cleaned out, pump cleaned out, new air filter, new plugs. We're going to prime this little girl and give her a shot and see what happens. Cross your fingers, wish me luck. Prime 1. Prime 2. Prime 3. Prime 4. I'm going for it. She's alive. She is alive, boys and girls. Pooped out some nastiness. Cold as can be, but she's running. Ha 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 ha. Holding just the touch of throttle on her to keep her at 1100 till I get a temp reading. New NGK plugs are firing nice. Got the new K&N air filter in there. I've never run one of them before. When I swapped it out originally, I used an OEM, so I figured I'd give it a try this time, mainly just because I can clean it. And if I can clean it, $60 and a $10 cleaning kit, compared to almost $43 every year or two, you do the math. Well, I got a temp reading, 70 degrees. She's idling on her end right now. There it is. Success, boys and girls. Let's get on Discord here and let everybody know. She's alive. Let's see what that say. Purring like a kitten. Like that gave me 4 thumbs up already. So we'll let her warm up and then probably take her for a little quick spin here in a little while. See how things go. Fired right up. I didn't expect much less than that. That's my chipmunk plug there. Popped out the exhaust. Exhaust smells good. Whole jug of fuel injection cleaner from Lucas in there. Some super ultra high octane racing fuel. Rinse the tank out with 91 octane. Well, the flakes that came out of there, had to use a turkey baster to get the bottom of the bottom out, but I got it. So there she is, boys and girls, ready to rock and roll. Again, I did the whole fuel system, pulled my injectors, did the rail, cleaned the tank, screen in the pump. That pump's a high-end racing pump anyways, fuel pump. New K&N air filter. Had to do some foam work around the air rams because the chipmunks chewed their way into the air box, so I got that fixed too. And them new NGK plugs tuned it up nice. So I think I'm about ready to rock and roll, and then this old girl's gonna need a bath. I'm so excited. Too cool. Alright guys, we'll catch you in a bit. Go for a ride.